Good day, sir. Welcome to Cafe Delicia. Ilan po kayo?
Isa lang po, for table 1 lang po.
Right this way po.
Thank you.
Please watch your step. Use your seat po.
Thank you.
And here's our menu. I'll give you a few moments to check it. Then I'll be back to take your order.
Thank you.
Ready na po kayo to order, sir?
Yes po.
Okay.
Can I have the banana roll and Shanghai and your main course? Fried bangus, for drinks, orange juice.
Okay, I repeat your order, sir. Banana roll, Shanghai, and our main course, fried bangus. Would you like to add soup or bread with that?
Muna po, thank you.
Okay, I place your order now. Please allow 10 to 15 minutes for serving. While waiting, I'll serve your drinks and complimentary food.
Thank you.
Here's your drinks and complimentary food, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy while waiting. Excuse me, sir. Here's your drinks. Fried bangus. Banana roll. And Shanghai po. Please be careful, mainit po yung plate.
Thank you po.
How's everything so far? Is the food okay?
Yes sir, masarap siya. Thank you.
Glad to hear that. Just let me know if you need anything else. Excuse sir, pwede ko na mabandisan?
Opo sir.
Excuse sir, would you like to try our best-selling dessert today? We have chocolate lava cake and mango cheesecake.
No sir, next time na lang po.
Okay po, no problem. Excuse sir, here's your bill po. You may pay at the counter or dito na lang?
Dito na lang po, here's my payment.
Okay. Here's your change po and receipt. Thank you for dining with us today, sir. We hope to see you again. Ingat po and have a great day.
Thank you din po sir. Ang ganda po ng service niyo.